Get the edge with up-to-the-minute Forex market news and insights. The Federal Reserve's 5th District Manufacturing Index fell 9 points in June 2026 to fall down from 13 in May and below market expectations. The reading signaled broadly flat manufacturing activity in the district as most key components weakened over the month. Shipments eased to 3 from 16, and new orders declined to 9 from 17, though both measures remained in positive territory. Inventories of raw materials continued to build, rising to 9 from 5. By contrast, the employment index slipped into negative territory at -1, reversing from 3 in May, indicating a slight contraction in manufacturing employment. Price pressures intensified. The average growth rate of prices paid increased to 6.99 from 5.96, while the rate of growth in prices received rose to 4.57 from 4.21. Never miss news-driven moves. Use the News ICO Expert Advisor to place pending orders safely around economic releases. Find out more. Looking ahead, firms' expectations for shipments strengthened, with the corresponding index increasing to 38 from 35. However, the expectations for new orders and employment softened, with the new orders expectations index declining to 32 from 36 and the employment expectations index falling to 16 from 23. The material has been provided by robotfx.org. Boost your trading with advanced tools from RobotFX. Visit robots.org for expert advisors and indicators.